How to do TurboTax for military retirees. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you are a military retiree, TurboTax offers a straightforward way to file your taxes. The first thing you want to do is gather all of your documentation. Now log into your TurboTax account. After that, the first step is to enter your basic personal details like name, address, and social security number. Indicate your military retiree status when prompted. Now you will have to report your military retirement income. For this, head over to Income and Expenses. Look for Retirement Plans and Social Security. Then click on Start or Add Income option. Select IRA 401k Pension Plan Withdrawals. Then enter the information from your 1099-R form. After that is done, adjust for state-specific benefits. Now claim military-specific deductions and credits. Once that is done, you want to complete the rest of the process and review all the information you have entered. TurboTax will now calculate any refund or taxes owed. Now you can choose to e-file or print and mail your return. If you e-file, TurboTax will send updates on the status of your return. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.